Hi, welcome to Chapter 7 of AWS CDK in action. In this chapter, we're going to transform our application into a serverless application. And we're going to do that by replacing some of the managed services that we were using, such as RDS and ECS, to serverless one, such as DynamoDB, API gateway, Lambda functions, and step functions. And so first thing we need to do to be able to run and to deploy this app is to go into this config.json file and change the domain name for the domain you created previously. In my case, will be sandbox.westpoint.io. And with that done, now we can open a terminal into the infrastructure and the web folder, and we're going to run yarn to install all of the necessary dependencies. Okay, still in the web terminal, the web folder. Let's run yarn build prod so you can build our our React app production environment. And okay, next step is to go into the infrastructure folder and create a .env.production file. And in this file, you are going to need these values right here. The most important of them will be the email address, because these other ones here are really important if you are going to deploy the pipeline stack. If you're not going to deploy the pipeline stack, just the email address is enough. But I'm gonna leave all of them here just so you guys know. So with that done, we can now deploy our stack to CDK, and we can do that by running yarn CDK deploy profile CDK, and this will deploy the production environment of our application. So yeah, now we just wait CDK to deploy everything. Okay, while this is being deployed here through the terminal, we can see the status through the terminal and as well as in our AWS console. So let's go into our browser, and you guys will see right here in the CloudFormation console that the stack is being created. So yeah, let's go back into our VS Code and wait for the deployment process to be finished. Okay, great. The stack was deployed. So let's go back into our browser and let's see here. Okay, create complete. Let's go into my Gmail inbox. And you guys will see that I've received an email from AWS asking me to confirm that I am authorized to use this email address. So we just click on the link, and okay, now we've authorized our email address. And with that done, we can simply hit our backend endpoint. Let's see here, sandbox.westpoint.io, and there we go. You guys will see our to-do item. Let's go into our front end. And okay, first to do. Let's add one here. Second to do. Second to do for demonstration purposes. Let's click add. And there we go. Now let's go back into the email inbox, and you guys will see that there we go. We've received a bunch of emails right here saying that this step function was triggered by the get route. It was triggered by the get route, was triggered by the post route. Okay, there we go. Everything is working just as expected. Next step here is to destroy the stack. So let's go back into our VS Code and run yarn CDK destroy. As usual, we will be prompted with a message for us to confirm if we want to destroy that stack. We just press Y and enter. And now we just wait for CDK to destroy everything. Okay, so with that done, see you guys on chapter 8.